Hello, welcome to the Gin Guys how-to series on classic gin cocktails with me, Alex from the Cocktail Vibe. Today we're going to be making a French 75 and I'm using gin d'Azur, which has gorgeous flavours of lavender, thyme and lemon peel from the south of France. Grab your gin d'Azur and that's 50 millilitres into your shaker, which is just over 1.5 ounces. 15 millilitres of lemon juice, which is roughly half an ounce or a tablespoon. 10 millilitres of sugar syrup, which is roughly a third of an ounce. Ice into your shaker, then shake that up. Grab your mix and strain into your champagne flute. Lovely. Pop open your champagne or bubbles and top up your cocktail. Perfect. Finally, a lemon peel to garnish. And there you have your French 75. Cheers! Be sure to check out more classic gin cocktails over at theginguide.com and follow @theginguide on all social media. If you want to see more cocktail recipes, follow me at the Cocktail Vibe on Instagram. Thank you!